Hi guys, welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain an important nuclear and thermal power plants in India. Friends, this topic is very useful for all competitive exams. So, we start. Thermal power plants which are situated in state of Madhya Pradesh is Vindhyachal Super Thermal Power Station, Sant Singaji Thermal Power Plant, Satpura Thermal Power Station, Amarkantak Thermal Power Station. These four thermal power plants and power stations is in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Next, Palatana Thermal Power Plant. Palatana Thermal Power Plant. It is situated in the state of Tripura. Please remember. Next, thermal power plants in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Rihand Thermal Power Plant, Anpara Thermal Power Station, Singrauli Thermal Power Station, Obra Thermal Power Station, Rosa Thermal Power Station, Panki Thermal Power Station, Narora Atomic Power Plant. These are all thermal power plants situated in Uttar Pradesh. One more time, Rihand Thermal Power Plant, Anpara Thermal Power Station, Singrauli Thermal Power Station, Obra Thermal Power Station, Rosa Thermal Power Station, Panki Thermal Power Station, Narora Atomic Power Plant. These are all situated in Uttar Pradesh state. Next, thermal power stations in the state of West Bengal. Mejia Thermal Power Station, Farakka Super Thermal Power Station, Kolaghat Thermal Power Station, Bakreshwar Thermal Power Station, Durgapur Steel Thermal Power Station, Sagar Digi Thermal Power Station. These are all power stations which are situated in state of West Bengal. One more time, Mejia Thermal Power Station, Farakka Super Thermal Power Station, Kolaghat Thermal Power Station, Bakreshwar Thermal Power Station, Durgapur Steel Thermal Power Station, Sagar Digi Thermal Power Station. These are all situated in West Bengal. Next, Jharkhand thermal power stations which are situated in Jharkhand is Chandrapura Thermal Power Station, Koderma Thermal Power Station, Bokaro Thermal Power Station, Patratu Thermal Power Station. These four thermal power stations situated in the state of Jharkhand. Please remember, Chandrapura Thermal Power Station, Koderma Thermal Power Station, Bokaro Thermal Power Station, Patratu Thermal Power Station. These four thermal power stations is situated in Jharkhand, and Bongaigaon Thermal Power Station is situated in Bongaigaon Thermal Power Station situated in Assam state. Next, thermal power station situated in state of Andhra Pradesh is Simhadri Super Thermal Power Station, Sri Damodaram Thermal Power Station, Sanjeevaya Thermal Power Station. These three thermal power stations situated in state of Andhra Pradesh. Next, Haryana, Deenabandhu Choturam Thermal Power Station and Rajiv Gandhi Thermal Power Station. These two thermal power stations situated in state of Haryana. Next, Gujarat, Mundra thermal power station, Ukai thermal power station, Akrimota thermal power station, Sikka thermal power station, Kakarpur atomic power plant. These power stations and power plants situated in state of Gujarat. And one more, Guru Gobind Singh super thermal station is situated in Punjab state. Please remember, Guru Gobind Singh super thermal power station situated in Punjab. Next, Bihar, Kahalgaon super thermal power station, Barauni thermal power plant. Please remember, Kahalgaon super thermal power station, Barauni thermal power plant. These two thermal power stations situated in Bihar, and in state of Uttarakhand is Chibro power plant, Kodri power plant, Chilla power plant. These three power plants, one more time, Chibro power plant, Kodri power plant, Chilla power plant. These three situated in state of Uttarakhand. Next, in state of Tamil Nadu, Neyveli thermal power station, Tuticorin thermal power station, Metturu thermal power station, Madras atomic power plant, Kundakulam atomic power plant. One more time, Neyveli thermal power station, Tuticorin thermal power station, Metturu thermal power station, Madras atomic power plant, Kundakulam atomic power plant. These are all power plant and power stations situated in state of Tamil Nadu. And in state of Kerala is Brahmapuram power station and Kayamkulam power station. These two power stations situated in state of Kerala. Next, thermal power station in state of Maharashtra is Tirora thermal power station, Amaravati thermal power plant, Chandrapur super thermal power plant, and Kaperkeda thermal power station, Jaitapur nuclear power plant, Tarapur atomic power plant. One more time, Tirora thermal power station, Amravati thermal power plant, Chandrapur super thermal power plant, Kaperkeda thermal power station, Jaitapur nuclear power plant, Tarapur atomic power plant. These are all situated in state of Maharashtra. Next, power stations in state of Karnataka is Raichur thermal power station, Udupi thermal power plant, Ballari thermal power station, Kaiga atomic power plant. These are power plants situated in state of Karnataka. Next, in the state of Rajasthan is Chebra thermal power station, Suratgarh thermal power station, Rajasthan atomic power plant. These three thermal power station and power plants in state of Rajasthan. Next, thermal power station in state of Chhattisgarh, Korpa super thermal power station, Bhilai expansion thermal power plant, Hasdeo thermal power station. These three power stations situated in state of Chhattisgarh. And last one is thermal power station in state of Odisha is Talcher super thermal power station, Hirakud captive thermal power plant. These two situated in state of Odisha. Friends, these are all important thermal power plants in India. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.